How to change wallpaper in Windows 11. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, in your home page, right click anywhere. After that, go to display settings. Now, in Windows 11, wallpaper is known as background image. So simply search for choose your desktop background, select your background, and you will be able to change a wallpaper from here. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.